He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the funniest, funniest Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Hello, everybody. I'm Harry the bunny. Great. This is Mummy Bunny and me. I love my mum. She can do anything. She even fixed Teddy. Teddy hurt his hand today. He fell over. Mummy picked him up and hugged him. Like she hugs me when I get hurt. Mummy and I took Teddy home. Mum was the doctor and I helped. We took a long bandage. Like this. And wrapped it round Teddy's hand. Like this. Then Mummy tied it like a bow. And for the final magic touch, a Mummy's kiss to make it all better. I love my mum so much. I'm going to find her and give her the biggest hug. You should give your mum a hug too. Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.